Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. It is the 23rd of August, so basically we are over the weekend here on the Saturday, but still looking at some charts and at some currency pairs to see how these markets are, let's say, preparing to trade for next week. So fairbinaryoptions.com here. This is the Great Britain Pound US dollar pair, and on the Great Britain Pound US dollar, I would say that nobody wanted to fade such a move. Take a look at this trend that started from the highs here, so from the 172 almost, with this move to the downside, quite an aggressive move to the downside. So if you want to take a look at this move, it is actually channeling extremely well, and it is a move that let's say will scare each and every bull out there. However, when trading, and especially when trading binary options, one should not wait for hundreds and hundreds of pips for the market to move in its favor, but actually only for a couple of pips, and if the option expires in the money, then you are on the safe side, of course. Now the market is ending, or ended the previous week, the previous Friday, on 165, as you can see here, 165.66, and this comes after the 172. So I would say that the Great Britain Pound US dollar actually took, let's say, some time into consolidating into this channel. I would say that, let me drag this down a bit low, I would say that we are about to finish the leg, or the last leg, of this ABC, classical ABC, and the target to the upside, if I were to trade the regular spot market now, would be the previous resistance, at least this one here. The move that goes to the downside from this moment of time resembles with terminal impulsive move, or if you want, with a falling wedge, and now this to be the first wave here, and then the second wave to be A, B, C, this to be the second wave, the third wave here. This third wave normally should relate with 61.8 out of this move. So if we go and take now, let's actually go and check if that is correct. So this to be the whole length of the first wave in the rising wedge, in the folding wedge, and then this to be the 61.8. If you take 61.8 out of it, and if you put it on top here, basically this is the length. As you can see, it fits into the 61.8. so this to be 1 like this, and then 2, and then the third wave to the downside here, the fourth and the fifth, or this one to be here as well. So 1, 2, 3, then the fourth, and then a new leg here to the downside, so still the market to push a bit low. So what I would like here to do, proving that we have an extended wave, is the following situation. From this moment of time, remember, so from this moment of time, it means that from this moment of time we will have a 5-way structure. From here, so this to be the 1, 2, 3 trend line like this. We said 1, 2, 3 trend line like this. Let's make it a bit bigger and of a different color. Like this, and then clone it and put it here with the 2 to 4 trend line, where the 2 to 4 trend line probably is, or the fourth wave probably is already being done here, like this. And now we should wait for the blue line, for the black line here to be broken. So this to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a move higher. It means that we should go below 65, 165 level, below 165.50. It is not mandatory for the market to go and let's say pierce the 1, 2, 3 trend line if this was to be a terminal impulsive move, but this one seems to be a first wave, extended wave. Now, if this is a 5-way structure, what is the previous move that the market started? It means that this previous move here, from here and to here, needs to be another 5-way structure. So to have here what? To have here 5-way structure, a corrective wave, then another 5-way structure. That would be ABC. Now if this is ABC and it is a 3-way structure like that, it means that to the upside we will have one simple let's say characteristic, either a B wave, if this would be a wave A of a bigger degree, and then a B wave to go more than 61.8, which I don't think is going to be the case, but to look for an X wave. So this to be ABC, then an X wave, and this X wave to actually prove us right with the move to the upside. Into this area, I would become suspicious on the Great Britain pound. So at the opening on Monday, what I would like to do is to actually go and buy call options with, of course, end of week expiration, as I am suspecting that this market is going to correct higher, and then by the time this area comes, we'll look into engaging in buying put options, but that's another story, probably for some other time. These arguments are solid arguments from my point of view, and therefore I would like to state here that I'm looking to buy put options with end of week expiration date by the time markets are opening on Monday. Thank you very much for being here. fairbinaryoptions.com. Make sure you check our website. Make sure you check our Binary Options Academy, and keep in touch. Bye bye.